Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video I will teach you about switch case statements. So usually switch case statements allows us to run a selected block of code among many block of code. So switch case has a specific syntax, that is, first of all we write switch, then the expression goes in it, and within that we write all the cases, that is, suppose case 1, then the code, then we use a break, because suppose our switch case statement matches the first case, then after executing the block of code in the first case it will break out of the switch, and if we don't give this break, then whatever block of code is after that, it will all be executed. And here suppose it will be case 2, then again some code and break, and ultimately that you have to give is a default statement, that is, if none of the cases matches your condition or the expression, then the following code should be executed. So this works exactly like if else if ladder, because suppose if you write if else, so this will be if, this will be else if, then this will be the else statement. But writing the if else statements many times could be tiresome, and it's not applicable in many cases. For that reason we use switch case statements. The value of the expression is compared with the value of the case, that is, the expression here is matched with this case. If we write here 1, then the first case would be called and the block of code in the first case would be executed, and if we write here 2, then the code in the second case would be executed, and if we write anything else, then the default code will be executed. So let's show you with an example. Suppose I want to find out the day it is, that is, the day of the week. Suppose int day equals to 2, and in switch we want to find out the day. The cases will be Monday, then break, and let's copy this a few more times. Suppose this is 2 and Tuesday, and this is 3 and Wednesday, and this is 4 and Thursday, then 5 and Friday, and let's add 2 more, that is Saturday and Sunday. So now if we execute the code, you can see that we will get Tuesday, because in the day we have 2. So let's run and see what we see. Here you can see we got Tuesday, because the second case that matches with the day is showing out Tuesday. So this is how switch case actually works. And here, if you don't use brake, then let's see what happens. Here you can see we are getting Tuesday and Wednesday, because break is after the Wednesday, but after Tuesday no break is there. So for that reason you have to use break. And break can save a lot of execution time, because it ignores the execution of all the rest of the cases in the switch block. Suppose if you get this as an result, then it will not match the other cases and it will save a lot of execution time. And if in the day you give 8, then let's give a default value, that is it does not matches any other. We are giving error. So let's run it. Here you can see we are getting error because none of the cases are matching the day. So this is all for today, guys, and if you have any doubts, then feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.